These products will literally have your man touching all up on you, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. What's up? How you guys doing? So in today's video, I will be talking about my shower routine. Parts of my shower routine. Actually, we're gonna go in depth into specific products. Other products I will be talking about in this video are from Truly, so shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. But before we get into the video, you already know what to do. Ya saben qué es lo que tienen que hacer. You need to hit that like button down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get into it.
Oh, baby, call me. I cannot fathom this life without you.
So I will be talking about the products, and I will also be showing you guys, like, literally demonstrating how I use them and overall my thoughts and opinions about the products. So before we get into it, also I just want to let you guys know I will have all the links in the description box down below with discount codes as well. Let's start talking about the Acai Your Boobies. So this is the boob polish, and let me tell you guys, first of all, I'm in love with all these products. No cap, like, I'm literally in love with all these products. This smells so good. This smells so good, and this has a dragon fruit, retinol, and vegan collagen and antioxidant boost. So it has acai and dragon fruit, and you could definitely smell the dragon fruit in this. Like, I'm obsessed. If you know me, I love everything that has to do with fruits, and I love dragon fruit. Like, it smells literally exactly like dragon fruit. Like, that smells so good. You guys know the Starbucks acai dragon fruit like refresher? It smells exactly like that. It smells exactly like what that tastes like. So basically what this is like a scrub for your boobs and your chest area. So I take a regular shower first, and then I go on to using these products. This is supposed to help to firm and tighten the skin around your chest area and your boobs, of course. So what I do is I take a scoop on my hands, with my nails, without your nails, whatever, and then I take a little bit of water and I just kind of let it foam a little bit, not too much. It's still kind of pasty, but you can still feel like the scrub in it, if that makes sense. So I just like scrub it all over my chest and around the boobage area, and I tell you, this will have your skin so smooth and just so glowing, which is the craziest part. Like, it's literally making your skin glow. And I use this probably like twice a week or something like that. You can use it every day, but I like to use it like twice a week. So the next product, this one, I don't know why, but this one didn't come with the gold cap that the other products came with. So I guess that's just like something, I don't know, but it's not, I don't care about that, honestly. I just care about the product. So this is the Buns of Glory Smoothing Butt Polish. This is supposed to tighten and glow your buttocks, your butt area, your glutes, okay? And this has watermelon, retinol, wheat protein, apricot, and orange flower boost. When I open this and when you smell this, it smells literally like watermelon. Like, so for the butt polish, I do exactly the same as with the boob polish. Take a little bit, mix it with a little bit of water, and you start just going in circular motion on your buttocks and your thighs. I also like to do it down my thighs. I didn't show that, but like in the back of my thighs, I just like to go over there as well. And it also helps a lot with stretch marks. Next up, we have these beauties right here. So these are the serums. And yes, they have separate serums for your boobies and for your buttocks, okay? I have the Acai Your Boobies Lifting Boob Serum and the Buns of Glory Tightening and Glow Butt Serum. And they smell exactly the same. Like, the boob line smells the same. They smell like dragon fruit. And then you have the Buns of Glory line, also smells the same. They smells like watermelon. So the serum is no different. They smell amazing. They go so smoothly and amazingly on the skin, and when I tell you, it leaves your skin so like glowing, and like even before you put the butter on, you feel so moisturized and you smell so good. Like, I literally smell so freaking good. I don't know what type of sorcery is in these products, child, but I smell so good. So basically what I do is that I take a little bit of the serum and I just put it all over my chest. It helps with firming your skin and lifting up your boobs a little bit. Basically the lifting part of it is just that it tightens the skin, like it firms your skin, and you can actually kind of feel it as you use it. Like I've been using it for like, I want to say 3 weeks now, and I could literally see and feel the difference every time I use it. So I want to say that it definitely works. I just kind of like circular motion all over my chest, my boob area, or whatever. And then I go in with the Buns of Glory serum as well, and I do the exact same thing. Just on my butt and thigh area, I go in circular motions, and I overdo it a lot. Like you don't really need that many drops, but like I be doing the most. This leaves my butt so glowy. It looks like I put highlighter on it. Like, this also helps a lot with the tightening of your butt area skin, and it just really helps. I feel like it just diminished the stretch marks. I personally don't have a problem with stretch marks. Like, it does not bother me, but I've noticed a difference ever since I started using the product. So I just wanted to mention that. And I know there's a lot of people that they do have problems with their stretch marks and whatnot. So there you go. So for the last and final product, we have the Acai Your Boob Butter and the Buns of Glory Smoothing Butt Butter. So these are basically your moisturizer. And let me tell you guys that these perform so good. Like it performs so well. As you guys can see, like a little goes a long way. I haven't dipped too much into this because a little literally goes a long way, and that goes for all the products. But let me tell you, the perfect way to do this, because I was struggling a little bit the first time I used it. And what I noticed is that because it's a butter, it's not a lotion, you need to take it and you literally need to warm it up in your hands so it glides smoothly on your body. And when I tell you, you're going to be moisturized for like throughout the whole day if you do it in the morning, and throughout the whole night if you do it at night before you go to sleep. I kid you not, you will be moisturized all night long. Like you will literally be moisturized until you wake up. And it's just like, listen, it feels so good. Your skin is so smooth. Literally leaves you like a baby skin type of feeling, and I love that for me. Like I love that. Definitely go ahead and try these products out. The next product that I want to try from Truly is their CBD infused or hemp infused. I'm not sure. They have like 2 different lines. I just want to see how that works with my body. I think I'm going to be placing an order for the CBD one. If I end up purchasing it, I will give you guys a review on that, because I think it's going to work wonderfully, because these products right here, baby, they're not to be played with, okay? These products will literally have your man touching all up on you, okay? Because you're gonna be so smooth. You're going to be super soft, super smooth, okay? And I just like how long lasting the hydration is. It's not like one of those, you know, one of those butters where it's like on the surface of your skin, or like it soaks into your skin and then you just feel dry again or ashy. Like, no, you will literally have it on, your skin will soak it up, but you will still feel super moisturized, and you will look moisturized, which I like to look moisturized. Like I like to look glowy, almost goddamn near sweaty. Like maybe not like that, but you guys know what I mean. So the Truly products are not 100% certified organic or anything like that, but they do have a lot of certified organic ingredients with their non-toxic natural ingredients, which gives you like this luxury product. If there's one product you're going to be taking from this video, or let's just say one line, I would definitely go with the Buns of Glory line. I just feel like there's nothing better than having super smooth butt, like a super smooth butt, you know what I mean? These polishes, you can definitely use them all over your body. Even though they're meant for your boobs or they're meant for your butt, that doesn't mean you are limited to only using it on your butt. As I said, I like to use the polish, the butt polish, on the back of my thighs, the inner parts of my thighs and stuff like that. So you're not limited to only using it here or on your butt. Just so you guys are aware of that. Like, this might be a little bit too early, but this is actually a really good Christmas gift if you don't want to try for yourself, but maybe your girlfriend wants to try it, maybe your sister, your mother, like, you don't know, your aunt, your, I don't know, you know, those smell good. and all of that. So that is it for today's review. All the links will be in the description box down below, as well as the Truly YouTube channel. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to my channel. So let me know if you guys like these kinds of videos. So rate this video down below. Also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Again, shout out to Truly. Thank you guys so much for wanting to partner with me. And I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.